Why are Ramanujan numbers important for number theory? Imagine discovering a number so special that it challenges what you think about how numbers can be broken down and combined. That's the magic of Ramanujan numbers. One of the most famous is the number 1729. It's called the Hardy Ramanujan number because it was linked to a story involving the mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan and the mathematician G.H. Hardy. Hardy once visited Ramanujan in the hospital and mentioned that the number 1729 seemed like a dull number. Ramanujan immediately responded that 1729 was actually quite interesting because it was the smallest number that can be written as the sum of two positive cubes in two different ways. Specifically, 1729 equals 1 cubed plus 12 cubed, and also equals 9 cubed plus 10 cubed. This property makes 1729 a special kind of number called a taxicab number. Taxicab numbers are numbers that can be expressed as the sum of two cubes in more than one way. This idea opens up a whole world of questions about how numbers can be broken into parts and how they relate to each other. Ramanujan's insight into 1729 helped mathematicians understand that some numbers have hidden patterns and properties that aren't obvious at first glance. It also connects to larger ideas in number theory, like solving equations where the solutions are whole numbers, called null equations. But 1729 isn't just a one-hit wonder. It's also a Carmichael number, which means it acts like a prime number in certain calculations even though it's not prime. It's a Harshad number, meaning it's divisible by the sum of its digits. It appears in different number sequences, like centered cubes and dodecagonal numbers. These multiple roles make Ramanujan numbers fascinating because they show how a single number can have many different mathematical identities. From a pattern perspective, Ramanujan numbers show us that numbers can hide surprising features. They make us wonder what other hidden properties are out there waiting to be discovered. The story of 1729 also shows how a simple number can become a symbol of curiosity and discovery in mathematics. It's a reminder that even ordinary numbers can have extraordinary stories behind them. Knowing about Ramanujan numbers is important because it helps us understand the deeper structure of numbers. They inspire new questions about how numbers behave and how they are connected. This knowledge is useful in fields like cryptography, where understanding the properties of numbers keeps our digital information safe. It also encourages us to look at numbers in new ways, seeing patterns and relationships that aren't immediately obvious. In the end, Ramanujan numbers are more than just interesting curiosities. They are keys to unlocking the mysteries of how numbers work and how they can surprise us with their hidden beauty. Their importance in number theory lies in their ability to show that numbers are full of surprises, waiting to be uncovered through clever thinking and curiosity.